This video shows you how to use our new job matches feature. So, what are new job matches? New job matches are instant alerts via email and push notifications of any new jobs added on Zoek that match your saved searches within the past 24 hours. Meaning, you can be one of the first to apply to new, relevant job matches. You simply register or log in to your Zoek account. Go to your profile. Click your settings. Ensure new job matches is selected within your contact settings and choose whether you want to receive them instantly or at a preferred time of day. Click Save. Remember, your new job matches are based on your saved job searches. You can save a search by clicking the Save Search button on any of your job searches. You can view, edit and refine your saved searches by going to your profile and clicking My Searches. You're all set up, so make sure you keep an eye on your inbox and beat the competition to land your dream job on Zoek.